Hey, what's going on, everybody? Big Bad Dirty Dog coming to you from the Dog Pound. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, depending on when you're watching this. Hope you're all having a great day. Now, if you're a small streamer on Twitch, as I am, we all know that discoverability on that platform is not the best. And even Twitch has come out and said that the discoverability is absolute dog poop. Well, they've just introduced a new feature that I really enjoy and I'm looking forward to using that hopefully will improve your discoverability. So let's talk about the research feature. Now, to access this, you're going to come here to Twitch TV, go up into the corner, look for your logo, you're going to click on that. Come down here to Creator Dashboard, click on that. Wait for everything to load up. Then you come over here to your Analytics and click on that. And right down here, Research. And I'm not going to read all that to you. I'm not going to insult your intelligence. You can pause the video and watch it yourself. So basically how this works. Now, this is my stream from last night. I stream a lot of interactive games that you can come watch at twitch.tv/bigbaddirtydog. Shameless self-promotion. You're welcome. Now, Words on Stream is a relatively bigger game, but you can see here how they have it all broke down. What this does, it tells you the best time to stream. Like on every single day, on every single time, it tells you what the max viewers are. Of course, when the black is not the best numbers and the light purple is where the more viewers are at. So you can see right here on Sundays at around 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. are like the best times to stream this game. That's when they get the max viewers at. As opposed to some of these like in the dark where they're like 3 and 4 really aren't the best times. So, and this works for like every single game. It's like I can look at this and say, well, because I normally stream at between 9 p.m. and midnight. But looking at this, I can readjust my schedule. Because like it says here, the higher the number is, the better your chance for discovery may be when streaming during that time. So maybe I can look at this and say, well, maybe instead of streaming Words on Stream later in the evening, maybe I need to move it up earlier during the day, like between 10 to noon would be the best times on Sunday afternoon when people are looking for something to do. It's like you look, when I stream it between 9 and midnight, the numbers are decent, but they're not the best. Like even on a Sunday, they can get at least 7 average viewers. And I'll take you through some of the other ones. Now, if I go back to, and as you can see, even when I streamed it last night, I got 85 live views, 52 unique viewers, 17 max viewers, which isn't too bad. But if I go back to my Tuesday stream and go into research, which we do codename. Okay, that didn't work. I gotta love it. On Tuesdays we do code names. On Mondays we do Planet Crossword. But I don't think this is gonna work. No, it don't. Okay, but anyway, this works with pretty much every single game. So no matter what game you're playing, you can come into the research, and it'll tell you the best times and the best days to stream your game. So I'm definitely going to be using this, especially going into next work. It's going to be helping you do a better job of planning your streams and hopefully increasing your discoverability. Helping you find better days and better times to stream your favorite games. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope this helps out. If you have any questions, there's a comment section down below. Looking forward to seeing your beautiful faces again real soon. Until next time, stay awesome, stay amazing, stay wonderful, stay fantastic, and as always, stay beautiful, my friends.